welcome back. So today I have another DIY for you. Yes! So if you guys are interested in seeing this lovely DIY, just keep on watching. Alright, I will be taking these candle holders from Dollar Tree. Alright, so I decided to make this a little bit taller by just adding another line here. I just didn't like the way it looked. So, yeah, I'm going to do this instead. Guys, so next I'm going to be taking this pack of 6 napkin rings from the Dollar Tree. Okay, so I am going to be using these bowls from the Dollar Tree. Okay guys, so next I am going to be using 4 of these mirrors that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be using a method of taping them together that I got from Miss Petalist Bliss here on YouTube. If you are not subscribed to her, definitely go and check out her channel. You are going to love her channel if you love mine. So yeah, go ahead and check it out. Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead and decorate my 4 mirrors before I glue them together. So what I'm going to do is just use this ribbon here that I got from the Dollar Tree around Christmas time. Alright guys, so I'm going to go in with these rhinestones from the Dollar Tree. Okay guys, so for my last 3 pieces, I'm going to have to just do my borders because I'm actually going to run out. And so it'll take about 2 packs of these rhinestones to cover one of these. So you're going to need about 8 of these. And so what I'm going to do is just do the border on my side pieces. And then whenever I can find some more of these, I'll go ahead and just fill it in later. For the bottom of my vase, what I'm going to do is just use this backing from the picture frame, and this is pretty flimsy, but I will not be lifting this. This is just strictly for decorative purposes. In fact, if you wanted to, you could actually skip this. So guys, hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, as well as hitting the notification bell. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.